Hey guys, in this episode of Nature Kids, what we're doing is we're gonna catch fish and release them in a pond because the pond has like 4 fish. There's spawn a lot of fish. Yeah, I won't put it in there because it's gonna swim. Basically, I caught that fish. But we're gonna release that one. So yeah, this is good. Also, we're gonna have some underwater fish clips from the lake.
Because we're gonna do this fast. This is the most efficient way to get him over without. He won't die, but we gotta move decently fast. Yeah. Because the pond doesn't have enough bluegill, so we're gonna need a stock it. It's only across the street, so there's already bluegill in it, but we're gonna put some more in. Okay. Ready? Hopefully someday this pond will be teeming with bluegill. Hopefully they can get out of there. Oh, I see him. Oh, okay. A huge storm that came through here. So, but later this episode, we're going to show some more trees down at the golf course that I live at.
Up really, there's a bunch more like this all over the golf course. Now, it's been like 1 or 2 weeks, so they cleaned out some of it, but this is just what remains of it. Over here is a huge pile of sticks and stuff that fell down from the storm.
This is the, okay, so this is the tree that, from the straight line winds from the big storm that we had here, there's this tree, so right there, well, it's not really a tree, it's a big branch from this tree, and it's from this big storm that came by.
Okay, this is what straight line winds can do to these things. Look at this. Look at this. This is ridiculous. That is the remains of a tree. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Okay, here's some stuff right here. This is part of the ground probably. Look at this. I need you guys to comment #RIP the trees. Or RIP trees. This is just crazy. It got another branch of it.
Okay, so basically, we got a tree frog for Nature Kids.
I was in the toy box and tried to find goggles and I found a frog.
So he's right there.
I can't see.
Take the lid off.
He's right there. Why is there water in it?
Because
do you not like water?
Move, guys.